Finally this evening, only 6 runners will go postward in Saturday's feature event at Caymanas Park, a race confined to the youngest group of entrants. A small lineup of 6 native-bred 2-year-olds, including 3 debutants, will run in Saturday's Miss Ruth Trophy event, a maiden special weight contest over 6 furlongs. Heading the lineup is the 95 anti-post favorite Brilliant Boy, to be ridden by champion jockey Radesh Roman for 3-time former champion trainer Anthony Baba Nunes. Also highly fancied are Mohan Lal at 2-1 with apprentice Tajay Suku for trainer Richard Azan. Abu Dar at 5-2 with Ian Dolly Baby Spence, and the Baba Nunes trained For My Love at 3-1 to be ridden by Aaron Chatri. Nunes' well-bred colt Brilliant Boy has been working very well at exercise and is fancied to make a winning debut. Mohan Lal, who had a runner-up spot going 4 furlongs straight a week ago, is expected to make the frame once again, while For My Love, who was 4th on debut 3 weeks ago over 5.5 furlongs, is also expected to figure prominently. An encouraging performance is also expected from the debutant Abu Dar. The lineup is completed by another quality with 2-time former champion Shane Ellis and the Flawless Mission, the mount of Javanil Patterson. This event is slated as race number 2 at 12:40 p.m., while first post for the 9-race card is noon.